Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are solving a real-world distance, rate, and time problem using a linear equation. Here is the problem. A cargo truck leaves a warehouse traveling at 45 miles per hour. 2 hours later, an express truck leaves the same warehouse on the same route traveling at 65 miles per hour. How long will it take the express truck to catch the cargo truck? The key formula for this type of problem is distance equals rate times time. Now let's define our variables. Let t equal the time in hours that the express truck travels. Since the cargo truck left 2 hours earlier, the cargo truck has been traveling for t plus 2 hours. Now let's set up the equation. When the express truck catches the cargo truck, both trucks have traveled the exact same distance. So we set their distances equal to each other. Distance of the cargo truck equals 45 times the quantity t plus 2. Distance of the express truck equals 65 times t. Setting them equal gives us our equation. 45 times the quantity t plus 2 equals 65t. Step 1. Remove the parentheses using the distributive property. 45 times t equals 45t. 45 times 2 equals 90. So our equation becomes 45t plus 90 equals 65t. Step 2. Subtract 45t from both sides. 90 equals 65t minus 45t. 90 equals 20t. Step 3. Divide both sides by 20. 90 divided by 20 equals 4.5. So t equals 4.5 hours. The express truck will catch the cargo truck in 4.5 hours. Now let's check our answer. The express truck travels for 4.5 hours at 65 miles per hour. 65 times 4.5 equals 292.5 miles. The cargo truck travels for 4.5 plus 2, which is 6.5 hours, at 45 miles per hour. 45 times 6.5 equals 292.5 miles. Both trucks traveled 292.5 miles. Check. The express truck catches the cargo truck in 4.5 hours. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. See you in the next one.